Let's see how to make this delicious butter rice. Start by heating your rice cooker, then add 2 huge tablespoons of butter. Let your butter to melt a little, then add 1 chopped onion. And I'm adding half star anise and half cinnamon so that they don't annoy me when I eat. Half is just enough for the smell. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. It's time for mix. Now add 1 chicken cube, then you mash it and mix it. Add 2 pandan leaves and 1 lemongrass. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Time to add our rice. I am using 3 cups of rice. Mix this well. Add half a tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of yellow food coloring. Add water. I will be adding 4.5 cup of water for 3 cup of rice. So the measurement will be 1.5 cup of water for 1 cup of rice. This looks perfect. Now close the lid and let's wait for this to cook. Ta-da! Our butter rice is ready to eat now. This butter rice is perfect to eat with anything spicy or the prawn varuval I did that day. I'll add the link in the description box. I hope you guys will enjoy.